I'm Saranya. I'm working as an assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of BSc GCD. Now we are going to see about design thinking. What is design thinking? Design thinking is nothing but it is a human-centered approach to innovation and understanding customer needs, rapid prototyping and generating creative ideas. It also used for way to develop products, service, process and organizations. Design thinking is a process for creating problem solving. Design thinking has a human-centered core. It encourages organization to focus on the people they are creating for, which leads to better product, service and internal process. This is the framework of design thinking. First step is empathize, second step is design, third one is ideate, fourth one is prototype, fifth one is test. What is empathize? Empathize is the first step in design thinking because it is the skill that allows us to understand and share the same feeling that other feels. Appreciate people's emotional physical needs. Gain insight into the way people see, understand and interact with the world around them. Through empathy, we are able to put ourselves in other people's shoes and connect with how they might be feeling about their problems, circumstances, or situations. Then, second step is define. Define step is second step, which is the define phase in the design thinking. It involves collating data for the observation stage to define the designing problem and challenges. This process is the definition of the meaningful and actionable problem statement which the design thinker will focus on solving. This is peripheral, the most challenging part of the design thinking process as the definition of the problem. The third step is ideate. Ideation is a creative process which designer generates ideas in sensational example brainstorm worst possible idea. It is the third stage in the design process. Focus your thoughts and develop your ideas. The participants gather with open minds to produce as many ideas as they can to address a problem statement in a facilitated judgment-free environment. Ideation is not just a one-time idea generation or brainstorming session. In fact, we can divide ideation in these three stages: generation, selection and development. The next one is prototyping. Prototyping is a simple experiment model of the proposed solution used to test or validate ideas, design assumption and other aspect of its conceptation quickly and cheaply. So the designer involved can make appropriate refinements or possible challenges in direction. Rapid prototyping is an interactive approach to the user interface design that can help you test and validate ideas early in the designing process. Prototyping is the fabrication of the physical part, model or assembling using 3D computer aided design, that is CAD. The creation of the part, model or assembly is usually completed using additive manufacturing or more commonly known as 3D printing. The next one is testing. Testing is one of the most common important stage in the design thinking process, as it where you discover whether your idea solve the user problem uncovered during the empathize stage. User testing allows product teams to discover usability and design issues with the product before they are going to large market. Finding out if users are able to complete the task at hand successfully without any issues. The amount of time it takes to complete the specific task. The identify user satisfaction skill, discovering change to improve user performance and enjoyment. Mostly we are in that once again we will revise about the design thinking. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation and understanding customer needs, rapid prototyping and generating creative ideas. It is a process of creating problem solving. We have 5 different types of framework. The first one is empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. The most important frame in the design thinking is empathize. Empathy is the first step, and define is the important stage and the complex stage because we are raising questions regarding the problem, how to solve the problem, how to innovate, taking innovative ideas in the problem, how the problem is raised. The WH question and questions is coming on the defining stage. The next one is ideate. Ideate is nothing but giving some ideas which is possible and impossible. The next one is prototyping, creating the sample of the problem, that is a model of the problem. Next one is testing. Testing is the last step. It is testing with the people and developing the ideas.